के अरे म ब्लग खिचिरदिया हाई भन्दै
Hi.
वेलकम टु द ब्लग
Welcome to vlog.
हाई फाइभ
कहाँ जाने?
सोध न
कहाँ जाने?
म सिल्भर भ्याली ल बाई दिया
Bye.
सो फाइनली हेडिङ आउट अफ द घर कति दिन भयो ननिस्केको लिटरली क्यारिड मेरो मिल डोन्ट नो वाट्स गोना ह्यापन कस्तो साह्रो नहुँदा रहेछ छिटो नसक्नु गऱ्यो ओ ओ आई डोन्ट फिट गाडी पुरै सफा गर्दै आएको छु ओपन द गाडी So video पनि एडिट गरेको छैन but I don't know why I'm vlogging so much. I just find it fun. But yeah, घरबाट निस्किन लागेको छु अनि gonna go to Villa 72 as always because Neha's there. त्यसपछि we've got some places to go, so let's go.
के भन्ला
हेर न बाटो कति भिड मलाई त यस्तो म कति दिन भयो ननिस्केको यार 2 दिन ननिस्केको 2 दिनपछि निस्किँदा त आम्मा बाटो त त्यो त वाइल्डै भएछ नि यो त माइक्रो बसहरू चल्नु थालेछ साझा बस चल्नु थालेछ रेस्टुरेन्टहरू चाहिँ खोलेको छैन बट यहाँ आजको प्लान के हो त आज हामी दरबारमा हटपटको सामान किन्नु गइरहेछौँ अनि त्यसपछि टोनी दाइलाई चेयर गर्नु जाने आज बिकज भोलि के हुन्छ थाहा छैन बट भयो भने चाहिँ भोलि नि त होला नि टोनी दाइ इज अटेम्प्टिङ के अरे 10,000 burpees in 24 hours. So every minute na 7 burpee गर्नुपर्छ like for 24 hours if you want to do it. नत्र भने
he's doing 8
he's doing 10 for 2 hours and he's gonna rest for some time and फेरि 10 गर्ने रे अनि लास्टमा चाहिँ जक्केसम्म धेरै गर्ने रे सिधा हो अनि that's the plan. अब चाहिँ त्यही हो So हामीहरू were at the pump पानी पनि छ and भर्खरै स्टार्ट भयो 50 minutes 500 सकिसकेको छ. He looks super fit, so I'm sure he's gonna be able to do it. अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ हामी निस्क्यौँ यहाँबाट but we'll probably come back again. But it's crazy to think है हामी अहिले घर जान्छ खान्छ सुत्छ सबै कुरा गर्छ सबै कुरा गर्छ and he'll still be doing burpees. And भोलि उठेर हामी फेरि खान्छ मुख धुन्छ नुहाउँछ अनि he'll still be doing burpees. ल त हामी जान्छौँ हामी कहाँ जान्दा बानी
We'll probably get something to eat अनि मैले भिरामा मिटिङ बोलाएको थिएँ अनि आफै बस्नु बिर्सेछ so we're going back.
ल त म त्यहाँ छु अघि त्यसरी ढिलो भयो नि गाडी मिलाउँदै
दाढीमा यस्तो लाउँछु ल
यस्तो लाउँछु ल बाबु
ल
यस्तो लाउँछु ल
गुड नाइट
गुड नाइट दिया
दाढीमा
पनि जाने हो
हैन Good morning guys. So small little update on Tony Dai. He's having some shoulder issues 4,550. So I was following him all night अनि अहिले जाने भनेको it was time to be completed खासमा but it's on hold so even our plans are on hold but in the meantime we've got some work to do. हाम्रो हिजो समयको लागि हामीले फ्याब्रिक ल्याएको छ नयाँ यो चाहिँ वेटमा किन्नुपर्छ so we're gonna measure So, सक्यो बिहानको सानो एडभेन्चर अन्त 115 किलो रहेछ We'll talk to the dealer and see what happens अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ probably just chill now So finally heading out of the house You all know where I'm going हुन त अड्किरहेछ दाइ 4600 मा but we're gonna go show some support
बर्बी गर्नु भनेको not exactly injury but pain
Overuse
So उहाँले पुसै गर्न सक्नु भएन and that's the reason he stopped and he did 4600
So back home now had my meal which I had carried घरै आएर खानु पायो and took a quick little power nap and it's such a beautiful day आज Look at the sky perfect overcast weather and it's time to work out so मेरो gym तलको complete हुँदैछ अब अलिकति बाँकी छ ढलान हुनु but that's where I work out normally so Saturday चाहिँ मलाई it never feels like I have a workout because Saturday is generally rest day and in Nepal everything is closed and सबै कुरा छुट्टी जस्तो लाग्छ के अनि I get super duper lazy on this particular day for some reason and it always sticks to me but I have a workout फेरि सबसे गाह्रो वर्कआउट हो क्या हप्ताकै so squat छ 6 sets of 3 220 kilos deadlift 6 sets of 3 235 kilos and some ab work so yeah that's about it workout ko lai त्यसपछि gonna do some programming for my clients अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ head to bed so see you all tomorrow Third set of mirror squats and I just wanted to show you guys that the ambience from here is actually pretty good yeah but if you just look outside it looks pretty good maybe about 2 or 3 more weeks that I can shift in my gym तल हुन्छ gym चाहिँ पानी परेकै भएर अहिले यो काम अलिकति रोकिरहेछ but hopefully I'm going to be down there within a few weeks I would hope within 2 or 3 weeks अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ माथि नै गर्नुपर्छ but I just want to show you guys यहाँनिर gym कस्तो हुन्छ भनेर so it's going to be a pretty big place this whole thing is a gym area height पनि निकै हल्को छ I'm about like कति 5'11" and you still have plenty of head space so त्यस्तो गर्मी हुँदैन so it's a really big place यहाँबाट squat with a view squat with a view त हुँदैन but fully ventilated that's gonna be the entrance the main squat platform is gonna be here for now अहिले यति मात्रै हुन्छ gym को अनि यता मेरो office area लाई there's some space hopefully अब lockdown खोलेपछि अलिकति बिस्तारै भएपछि I want to put a power rack or 2 in this wall so एउटा यहाँनिर power rack जान्छ अनि this place मा चाहिँ is gonna be a mat like a green mat so पुरा hall जस्तो खाली हुन्छ and it's a really big space and त्यहाँ पनि एउटा room छ सानो we don't know what we're going to use it for पहिला चाहिँ हाम्रो store room थियो but अब चाहिँ it'll probably be like machines lat pull down or bell squat यस्तो machine हरू हाल्छु gonna put some dumbbells and I can take some clients from home and the view this is the view from my future gym and अहिलेको घर. So riverfront Tyson's home gym is there. So there's a river, actual flowing river, and yeah, back to the set. Yo.
I don't want to be there.
Don't be. So आज हाम्रो आज कुन डे हो? Sunday हो. मरबान. We're at the Mark KB Plaza बाहिर. यो मास्टर स्मार्ट डोकोमा पाउँछ रे. जुनै कलर मान्छ आज पिङ्क सो पिङ्क, ब्ल्याक सो ब्ल्याक. यता हैन. So के काम छ यार? फर्स्ट हामी जोइन्ट अकाउन्ट बनाउन लाग्छ NIBL ब्याङ्कमा.
No, we're not doing anything.
What are we doing then?
We're going to buy this. के भन्छ भाइटिकाको गिफ्ट? भाइटिका गिफ्ट?
राति
जनै
को गिफ्ट फर जान. अनि त्यसपछि मेक अ ब्याङ्क अकाउन्ट, जोइन्ट ब्याङ्क अकाउन्ट, बिकज we're starting a business together. बिजनेस त के हो नि? बिजनेस. उसके बाद क्या है?
उसके बाद we'll eat.
We're going to eat hopefully Korean.
आज त खानै पर्छ.
अनि हाम्रो युट्युब पनि मोनेटाइज गरेको छैन, आज फाइनली गर्नु भएको. So that's about it. So we're so hungry. मलाई भोक लाग्यो because आज बाहिर खाने प्लान थियो अनि it's already 4 PM and we're still driving around the city. पुरा पिकअप ट्रक जस्तो सामान बोकेर आइरहेछ, but काम पहिला सकाएर खायो भने सजिलो हुन्छ भन्ने हिसाबले हो. So this is the kapda we're going to drop for Cozy and also Samay apparel which is coming soon. अनि यसपछि चाहिँ बल्ल खानु जायो. एउटा चाहिँ हाम्रो साइडमा बनाइदिइराख्नु क्या. हाम्रो कपडा कस्तो पनि हुन्छ. फुल बन्द देख्ने. हाम्रो स्पिड टाइम भन्दा
20 minutes.
In and out in 20 minutes.
25 भनौँ न अलिअलि.
So Aja, after so long, I had a cheat meal. It feels really good at the moment. Obviously, I have to pay the consequences for it, but I do my best to manage, and that's what I am gonna explain. म कसरी चाहिँ manage गर्छु normally. Since मेरो त like right now I'm on a maintenance phase, and maintenance phase पनि is like most people's bulking भन्दा पनि धेरै खाइरहेको हुन्छु मैले. So I have a lot of calories to play around with, but usually what I do is I save up, depending on how much I want to eat, 1200 to 1500 calories for that particular meal, work around with the rest of the macros that I have. So aja दिउँसोको मिलबाट चाहिँ मैले सेभ अप गरेको. So the first meal I had as usual, अनि बिचको सबै मिलहरूबाट चाहिँ I just saved up 1300-1400 calories. अब it's 1 PM, 1 AM, I always keep saying 1 PM because राति जस्तो लाग्छ क्या. And it's 1 AM in the morning, अनि यो मिलमा चाहिँ फेरि I'm just gonna have मेरो regular meal. अनि if tomorrow I wake up heavier, अनि 2-3 दिनसम्म I keep saying heavy body weight एकदमै high भइरहेछ भने चाहिँ then I might cut aliali calories from the other days to milako the average weight for the week. Otherwise, like alikati mathi alikati tala cha bhane I won't really bother at all and keep moving forward. So that's how I basically manage cheat meals. Mero arko cheat meal kaile huncha I'm not too sure at the moment, but if the situation calls for it, I will take it because I let this to khasai competition schedule khasai chaina. So but if bhayihalyo bhane I'm going to use the same strategy to combat body weight fluctuations. And I normally have my cheat meals only on a rest day because energy demands are high and then recovery demands compared to workout days low. So workout day there is no way on earth that I'm gonna cheat. I will suffer consequences badly. But yeah, कुनै rest day मा भयो पनि same कुरा नै गर्छु. अहिलेको लागि 1 AM भयो. मेरो hands are tired of holding the camera. पुरा पम्पै भयो. एकछिन पढ्यो जस्तो छ यहाँ. अब चाहिँ I'm gonna eat and then call it a night. Today is Monday and yesterday I had a cheat meal and obviously I am paying the consequences. I woke up slightly heavier than usual, 103.5, my new highest weigh-in, but that's I think a combination of extra calories, water retention, and khana indigestion, and maybe even sleep because I don't fall asleep as good when I don't eat right. But normally people don't even realize little changes because they're so used to not everything being correct. But मलाई चाहिँ सानो ट्रेन्डहरु पनि याद भइरहन्छ because everything is tracked, weight is monitored, sleep is monitored, and all the other things. So what I'm gonna do about it is for the next following few days, 2-3 दिनलाई obviously cheat meal the कुरा नै भएन, so I'm just gonna eat my regular macros because I don't have to weigh in on a competition scale tomorrow. So 2-3 दिनलाई चाहिँ हेर्छु when everything gets back to normal. If I get to my normal weight within 2 or 3 days of eating the previous calories, then I just forget that I ever had a cheat meal or whatever it may be. But if the weight gain trend still continues, meaning I don't drop from 103.5 to मेरो maintenance weight, which is 102-103 ko range ma, then I'm gonna cut calories slightly every day till I get to मेरो weight. So yeah, that's the plan for now. So as a training cha, same from last week. It's supposed to be a deload week, but I'm gonna do the same workout from last week. So see you guys in a while. Vlogging from my cell phone and camera so I'm just gonna weigh myself and give you guys a small little update. So first my camera राखेर 0 गर्नुपर्छ. Turn it on. So it's set to -300. I'm way on the scale. So 102.7. I don't think I have to do any sort of a deficit or whatever to get back to my normal weight because I've already lost like 700 grams from yesterday. Mostly just water retention, food retention, sort of things. If I keep doing my regular diet, fall back into my regular place. And I think I want to wrap up the vlog there. Yesterday was a really good workout. 4 sets of 8 with 200 kgs on squat. That's an insane amount of number. Even to think about it and be able to do it was crazy. Bench press the TKO. I'm still not where I want to be yet, but mero context where it's very, very strong. But I want to wrap this vlog up here because I don't know how long it's turning out to be. I have more interesting things like our Bully Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but interesting things. But I think I'm just gonna wrap it up here because last vlog this day lamo huncha. So I'm still trying out different things for this channel, so let me know if you're liking more daily vlog sort of a content. Paila jastै workout matre update ki informational video only ki I don't know, I'm just trying things out. So let me know what you guys want to see from me next, what's the type of content. And thank you all so much for watching. And if you're interested in hiring me as a coach, reach out to me, send me an email, send me a text on Instagram. If you have any small little questions, drop them down in the comments and I'll be sure to reply, and I will see you all next time.